Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, May 26th, and we're going to take a look here at MP, and this is Materials Corp. This is a trade I'm already in. I've been in this since last week in anticipation of the weekly hammer, and so far it's playing out fairly well, so currently up about 49%. But the main thing I'm watching for MP here is the fact that we have this weekly hammer, and we're putting in a higher low, holding that $60 support. So last 2 weeks we broke below 60 and immediately got bought back up above it, and last week we got that big hammer. So that's suggesting we're going to head higher this week. So far it's working. The next step we really need to see happen with this is a break above the $70 level. Once we get through 70, there's going to be resistance like 70 to 73, and then we're clear to run all the way up to like the 77 area where this previous pivot high is. It's at 76.80. We get through that, and this has potential to keep running all the way back up towards that $100 level like we did previously. So keep an eye on it. MP looks good. That's why I'm trading the 2027 calls, as you could see. Again, holding 2027 $70 Cs from last week and looking to allow this to have time to run and have a bigger move to the upside. Now, the next one I want to talk about is ASPI. This is one I'm in as well. I got into this earlier today. It looks good so far. We have an inverted head and shoulder. So you have your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. We triggered that neckline break today at 650. You can see it on the weekly a little easier. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So now we're in the clear for this to run all the way up to like the $8 level. So looking for a move up past 8 and then to tag this previous pivot high up around 855. But for now, looking good. I like where we're at as of 3:10 in the afternoon when I'm recording this, so looking for more upside in the coming days from that inverted head and shoulder. So keep an eye on it. ASPI and MP, those are two of the plays for this week that I'm in personally. But that's it for today. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, if you want to join us in the trading room and get these trades live with us, you can try it out for an entire 30 days. Just go to bctnow.com/join. It's $7 to try it out for 30 days, so it's basically risk-free for you. Come check it out. Join us in the trading room. See you tomorrow. Until next time, everybody. Happy trading.